Which of the following type of question cannot be asked during the question hour in Parliament? A. Start question. B. Unstart question. C. Short notice question. D. None of the above. Answer. Option D. None of the above. Question hour is the first hour of a sitting session of India's Lok Sabha devoted to questions that members of parliament raise about any aspect of administrative activity. The concerned minister is obliged to answer to the parliament either orally or in writing, depending the type of question raised. There are four types of questions: starred, unstarred, short notice questions, and questions addressed to private members. Starred questions are those for which an oral answer is expected. The member is allowed to ask a supplementary question with the permission of the speaker after the reply is obtained from the minister concerned. Non starred questions are those for which a written reply is expected. A short notice question is one which relates to a matter of urgent public importance and can be asked with a shorter notice than the period of notice prescribed for an ordinary question. Like a start question, it is answered orally followed by supplementary questions. The question to a private member is addressed to the member himself, herself, and it is asked when the subject matter of it pertains to any bill, resolution, or any matter relating to the business of the House for which that member is responsible. For such questions, the same procedure is followed as in the case of questions addressed to a minister, with such variations as the Speaker may consider necessary or convenient.